Welcome to the FX Options Weekly Outlook, a weekly podcast series hosted by Jason Ayres, a top instructor, trader, and founder of OptionSource.net. Join Jason as he discusses the latest trends in the Forex market with a look ahead on the US dollar versus the major currencies using the most commonly used technical indicators.
Well, hi there and welcome to the ISE FX Options Weekly Outlook for March 19th, 2012. As always, this is Jason Ayres of OptionSource.net. Let's start off with a look at a weekly chart of the US dollar index. This is a great way to gain perspective as to how the US dollar has been trading against a basket of currencies. Well, the weekly chart of the US dollar index has created an identifiable uptrend line which remains intact. However, last week we saw a pullback below our 80-81 resistance level. Now we need to see a break back above 81 to confirm a bigger picture move higher. With last week's reversal, we are open to a test of support down at 79. Let's take a look at the daily chart. The short-term uptrend on the daily chart is still intact. However, a break below 80 is likely to signal a move lower. Next up, the CDD, the US versus the Canadian dollar. Well, the downtrend in the CDD is still in place. However, support at 99 is lending credibility to the potential for a bottom here. 100-101 remains an important overhead resistance, and a break below 98 will suggest a continuation of the downtrend. Let's take a look at the YUK, the US versus the Japanese yen. Well, the trend for the YUK is clearly up. However, the pair has traded into an overhead resistance at 84.85. A break below 83 is likely to trigger a retracement lower to test support at 81.82. Let's take a look at the EUI, the US versus the Euro. Well, the short-term uptrend on the EUI is being tested. This also correlates with the support level at 76. Now, provided 75.76 holds as support, a break above 77 opens the window for a move higher. Let's take a look at the US versus the pound as seen here in the ISE FX options pair value BPX. Well, the BPX traded into a resistance level at 63.5, 64 and is now reversing to retest support at 62.5, 63. We need to see a break above 64 to signal a continuation of a move higher. Let's take a look at the AUX, the US versus the Australian dollar. Well, the AUX traded just shy of the 96.97 resistance level before reversing lower. A follow-through is likely to test support down at 94. An immediate reversal higher and subsequent break of 96 is likely to confirm a continuation to the upside. Let's take a look at a few of our key points. First of all, the US dollar index pulled back to test the short-term uptrend. A break above 81 this week should confirm a continuation higher. The CDD continues to trend lower, however, support is holding at 99. As with last week, we need to see a break above 100 to signal a bigger picture move to the upside. The YUK continues to trend higher, however, the 84.85 resistance zone was tested. A break below 83 should trigger a tradable move lower. The EUI tested support at 96, provided that the 75.76 zone holds. A break above 77 should signal a continuation higher. The BPX hit 63.5, 64 before reversing. A follow-through lower is likely to test support at 62.5, 63. We need to see a break above 64 to signal a tradable move higher. The AUX traded just shy of the 96.97 resistance level before pulling back. An immediate reversal and subsequent break above 96 should signal a continuation lower. And this has been your ISE FX Options Weekly Outlook for March 19th, 2012. As always, this is Jason Ayres of OptionSource.net, reminding you to sign up for your free webinar at www.optionsource.net. Thanks for joining me here this week. We'll see you here next week.
Thank you for participating in this week's session. Please join us again next week. For trading ideas, exchange rates, webinars, news, and commentary, visit www.fxoptions.com. Become an OptionSource.net member. Visit www.optionsource.net. ISE FX options can be easily traded through all options-enabled brokerage accounts. These exchange-listed securities are cash-settled in US dollars and have a European-style exercise.